Good morning. Thank you for joining. My name is Michele Grand. I'm a licensed massage therapist and I work with the oncology patients at Smilo Cancer Hospital. Today, while we're all isolating at home and staying safe and healthy, hopefully, I'm here to bring you a bit of guided meditation and a little bit of self-massage just to add a little ease into your day. To begin, I'm going to ask you to please bring yourself into a comfortable position. If you're lying down, let your whole body relax and become comfortable. If you're sitting, then relax your hands on your lap or at your side, or whatever way feels most comfortable for you. And close your eyes. This is your time now, so leave all your worries at the door. Notice any sounds outside of the room. Acknowledge them and let them go. Notice any sounds inside of the room. Acknowledge them and let them go. Tell your whole body to relax. Let your feet and legs soften into position. Drop your shoulders. Relax your hands. Tell your face and jaw to relax. Allow your full body to soften down and relax into a natural position. Take a cleansing breath in and breathe out the tension in your body. Again, take another deep breath in and out. Allow your breathing to fall into its own natural rhythm, not trying to control it in any way. Just observing as you breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. If thoughts intrude, allow them to pass and return your attention to the meditation. Breathing in relaxation, breathing out tension. Breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Mindfulness practice means feeling how you feel. Instead of avoiding or shoving down pain, you accept it with care and attention. But that doesn't mean you have to sit in pain doing nothing. The simple practice of smiling can actually trigger joy in the mind and body, helping relieve some of this pain. In this exercise, you will mindfully tune in to how it feels to bring a gentle smile across the face. Allow your eyes to close and find a comfortable position. If you're able to, keep the spine straight to invite energy and alertness into the mind and body. Begin by bringing your attention to the sensations of your body breathing. Start with the abdomen, tuning in to the rising and falling. Let the body breathe itself. You don't need to breathe in any certain way. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And when you're ready, move your attention to your chest. Feel the expansion and contraction here as the body continues to breathe. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. If you notice your mind has wandered, simply bring the chest back into your awareness. And when you're ready, move your attention up to your nostrils. You may feel the breath at the tip or base of the nose or on the upper lip. Pay attention to the subtle sensation of breathing here. Open your awareness up slightly to scan the face. From the forehead down to the chin, notice what you can physically feel. Continue to breathe in your natural rhythm. Tune into the eyes, the mouth, the jaw, the cheeks, and anything else that grabs your attention. Finally, allow yourself to softly smile. You may try thinking of something that brings you joy as a form of encouragement. As you smile, notice how the face and the breath feel. Tune into any changes in the breath, the muscles in the face, and any feelings that arise. You may try letting the smile go and bringing it back several times. Tuning in each time to the experience in the body as you do so. Let the smile fade slowly on its own. Now bring your awareness back to the flow of your breathing, in and out, in and out. Feel the cool breath in your nose and throat, and notice the natural movement of your tummy as you breathe in and out. Be aware of your full body as it rests against the floor or seat. Bring your attention to your toes and give them a little wiggle, and then to your fingers and give them a little wiggle. Give your shoulders a little shrug, and let yourself be aware of the room again, of all the sounds close by. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. I hope that to help to bring a little grounding to how you're feeling today. I know we all have our own experience, and hopefully yours has not been totally unpleasant. Hopefully there's been some new ideas that have come to you during this time, maybe changing things a little bit for the better while you've had some time to sit back and reflect on how your life is at the moment. What we're going to do now following the meditation is just a little time spent on some self-massage. We hold a lot of tension. We don't realize it sometimes. So taking a few minutes to decompress that way is also very helpful. Today, I think we're going to work just a little bit on the neck and shoulders. We often feel a lot of stress there. We may be on the computer more often or just kind of sitting a lot. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take your hands. We're going to use a lot of the tips of the fingers here. And I want you to use a good amount of pressure. because you want to feel the muscle through the skin. You want to feel the muscle through the fascia, and you really want to release it. You want to increase a little blood flow, and you want to get the oxygen going to those muscles. So to start, take those tips of your fingers and just stretch forward. Stretch from your back forward across to the top of your chest. And breathe as we do so. Take deep breaths in. Bring your fingers back, take a breath in, pull forward, and breathe out as you come across the top of your shoulders. Back and forward. You can come across again with the tips of your fingers right below your clavicle, right below your collarbone, little circles, and come forward. Little circles at the sternum, and then press across and release. Press and release. And you can just continue that a few times and use pressure. You want to feel the muscles release. Back and forward. And across the front of the chest and pull. Now I'm going to have you take those same fingertips again. You're going to start at the base of your cervical neck. You'll feel your spine, and then take your fingers slightly to the left and the right of the spine so you're not pressing right on the bone. And take those fingertips, maybe the pointer and the middle finger, and press on both sides of the spine. Press in at the base of the cervical neck. Make little circles and come up. Press in and come up. Press in and come up. All the way till you're at the very base of your skull here. And give it a little shimmy back and forth with your fingers. Press in to the muscle. And you can sort of go up and down that cervical neck on both sides of the spine. Just kind of rubbing in, pressing in. And again, start at the top and move down. Move down the cervical neck to the top of the shoulders. And one more time, start at the top and move down. Rubbing back and forth, back and forth. You'll feel the tightness in the muscles there. Then again, take those fingertips and press forward. Press forward towards the base of your jaw. Press forward, press forward. And we'll just take a few minutes and work right here at the base of the jaw muscle, right here, right at the bottom of the ear. You could try working with your pointer finger. If you prefer your thumb, that's fine too. And we're just going to focus on this area today, right along the ear. You could open your mouth a little bit, and you're going to feel that muscle, and go ahead and use some pressure, not to the point where it hurts too much, but you definitely want to feel the release. And make little circles. I'm using my thumb here. Make little circles all around that jaw muscle. Going up the cheekbone a little bit. And you can press towards the ear, release the fascia. And don't forget to breathe. As you release those muscles, take a good deep breath in. And press back. And we'll end by making little circles again, using the tips of the fingers. Okay, and then go on back to the base of the neck. Give it one more stretch. To the back of the shoulders, coming forward one more time. And across the chest. And stretch your arms out. Give a good stretch, stretch, stretch. Arms overhead into prayer pose. Deep breath in. And come down. And breathe in. And breathe out. And we're going to end our session today with a verse from Kundalini Yoga. May the long-time sun shine upon you, and all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your way on. I wish all of you well and good health and peace and happiness. And I hope to see you again next time. I sign on here on Mondays at 10:30 and Thursdays at 1:30. So thank you for joining and take care.